Hi everyone, it's me Preeti. Today I'm going to discuss about the product-based company Microsoft. Most of you have already heard about Microsoft, but if you're trying to crack an interview on the Microsoft, you are supposed to know several things about the Microsoft and what Microsoft does and what are the interview process of Microsoft. That is the reason I have prepared this video. And not only Microsoft, I'm going to talk about different top MNC companies and the interview process. Today I'm going to start with Microsoft. If you're trying to crack an interview in the Microsoft, you should know several things. I have listed all the important things that you should know, and I'll be talking about them. And I'll close everything within short period of time. Now, Microsoft. Microsoft is a product-based company because it has several products of its own. Most of us know the products of Microsoft. That is an operating system of Windows is built by Microsoft, and it has several products like Microsoft Office, Microsoft PowerPoint, Internet Explorer, and Edge web applications. Most of you will be already in a final year, or some would be already searching for a job. So, while doing your final year project, you would have used all of these products done by Microsoft, right? So we can see the Microsoft has done so many wonders, right? Now, the share price of Microsoft, that is share price of Microsoft, is actually it nears approximately a 10k in Indian rupees, but in USD it is 139. But when it comes to Indian rupees, it is approximately 10k. So you can imagine if the share price is so high, then the interview rounds and the employees they expect are too high. That is the reason the one who is trying to crack an interview on the Microsoft should be more efficient and should have a very good knowledge in data structures and algorithms. Data structures and algorithms is the only topic that they're going to pick up for their coding tests, because they build lots and lots of algorithms based on data structures, and they have all their coding rounds based on data structures and algorithms. They totally have 6 rounds. In the first round, it will be an online aptitude test plus the coding test. Coding test will be based on data structures and algorithms. They're going to ask you 2 coding questions. You're supposed to show the output. Rest of them will be a technical rounds, that is a face-to-face technical rounds, but then they are going to they're going to give you a question. You're supposed to write it in a paper and explain the code. If the person who's sitting opposite to you is satisfied, then he'll surely push you into the next round. If you clear the first round, then you are on to second round. In the second round, it will be an on-site or an off-site technical round, which I said, which will be a pen and paper test. They'll give you a question. You're supposed to write it in the paper and show them, explain them, satisfy him, make him happy. Third round, the same one. Everything is actually, except the first round, rest of the 6 rounds will be a face-to-face technical round. But the fourth and fifth round, you can see, it is the system design round. He's gonna ask you the code to write so that how beautifully you can build the system you're using your code. That is the thing which is gonna ask you in fourth and fifth round. Sixth round is actually an HR round plus technical round. The HR who is sitting like opposite you is not just an HR human resource. He will be a technical head, and he will surely blast you with the questions of technical questions. Finally, now what kind of coding questions are they going to ask in this Microsoft? Since all the 6 rounds are based on coding only, what are the questions they're going to ask? I have listed some questions, 6 to 7 questions, which are completely on DSA. Not even a single round is avoiding DSA. The first question is sum of leaf nodes at minimum level. Write a program to determine whether the tree is binary search tree or not, or whether the two trees are identical or not. And they have given a questions based on linked list as well. So you can see all of these are data structures. You know linked list, you know binary tree, you know binary search tree, everything is data structures. So I request you people to start learning data structures and algorithms, as I previously said. So please start, please start and work hard if you dream for such big companies. All the best. Thank you.